Craobh Club Allianz arás TG4.
In the National League, you're looking for performances. There's obviously gates and milestones to achieve along the way, because if you remain stagnant, teams will pass you by. Dublin supporters do travel well, and hopefully we'll have a good contingent for that opening game. And in Craobh Park, we've got some really exciting games. We're playing the best teams that are in the country.
Tasha the Lurg, cool Ellen so Conley. Stephen O'Brien, Nat agus Conor Meath, O'Brien agus Domhnach got all in their fan. Agus Beidh again.
The challenge really is to try and get the performance on the field of play. That's the big thing we go after this time of the year. It doesn't really matter whether it's a player's 10th year in the squad or his first year. There's always expectations in the County Dublin for the team to do well in every competition we enter, and we have a game against Mayo, Derry, Tyrone and then Monaghan, so there's nothing easy there. I've been given the job to do by the county board. With that comes the task of trying to get the players to be the best they can be, and that's the big challenge for me.
Ciarraí in iarbheo, Corca in iarbheo, GAA Beo Sraith TG4.